Okay, if I come across now and look at the currencies next. So this is the US dollar, and off what I think is the 4 in a diagonal. I think we're in this 5 here to finish this one off, and we're going to make another fairly marginal new local high before we then start the 2 back. So either we've completed the A wave, it's a diagonal, so we're going to ABC for the 5th, but it would look better if it pushes up one more time, gives us a 5th up in this move off the low at 94.45. Watch these retrace fibs. If this one is in over here, one of these is going to hold it, and then we're going to take out 94.45. If you see that, then the dollar's topped and the euro has seen its low before we're in a bigger 2. Now, moving across to the euro, there's the recent low on the 15th of August. ABC up for a deep 4 is the way I'm counting it, and still looking for this 5th of 1 down, so the mirror opposite to the DXY. However, I can make a case for this being 5 up, and if that's the case, this support region is going to hold and we're going to take the top out. But even in that case, I think the move down we're seeing now is only an A wave, and we're going to get a B back and a C up. And the reason I think that as much as anything is if I come to the 15-minute chart, which is what I've been tracking this in for the trade that we're in, I've got 5 to here for a 1, 2 back. We got short all the way up here. I'm still partially short. I've got a third of this left on. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the wave 3. And I think this is all part of a 4 that may or may not be done. This could be the A of 4, B, C, and we come up to the level of the previous 4 on the 123.6 extension before we drop down one more time. If the low of this swing down is in, then the region I've marked on the 15-minute chart here between the 618 and 764 will be the 2, and then we'll still get a C wave down in either count. So hence leaving the third of the position on. We've got plenty banked on it, and it's not a big swing trade. It's just, you know, a trade. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm quite comfortable staying with it all the way back up to here if necessary for that other third, and for the C wave down, which may be a lot more than just a C wave down. Okay, cable. It's come down off the recent move up, which I think is we've got the bottom of the 1 in, ABC for an A of A. I think this is the B. It's hit the 618 so far, but it looks more like a 5-wave move. I'm wondering whether it's an A, we get a deep B, C for a more complex B wave before we head back up. Not trading any of this anyway. What I'm looking for is this 2 to complete. Might be attempted if we get a clean A and B back to a retrace to trade the C wave up. But I'm more interested in the larger swing down from later from higher levels. Okay, US dollar, Japanese yen. So it got long in at the 110.79 fib hit here, and looking for this to now take out this 111.88 recent high. Sorry, 111.82. Stops are already at entry, so don't need to worry about it, and just see if the pattern plays out. But it looks to me like we've got an A up, we should get a B back, and then so on and so forth in this. But the bigger pattern is I'm playing for the rest of this C of this 3 up to 115.06 is what I'm looking for in US dollar, Japanese yen. Australian dollar, it's come down and hit this 2.0. It's kind of, if it can come up from here, it stick saves the count. But I'm not prepared to trade it. I'm just tracking it until we get something more meaningful.